Welcome to the Encore Audio Archives YouTube channel. I'm Taper Dave, and this is my channel. I've uploaded hundreds of talks here that I've recorded at meetings in West LA, and I've also recorded conventions starting in 2013. I've got a bunch of those up. And Walt and Mary Murray, the original owners of Encore Audio Archives, started the company in the 80s, and Walt recorded Joe and Charlie's and a bunch of stuff down in Vista, California. My sobriety date is June 20th of 1994. I hope you find something you like, so please like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. If you want to hear something that I don't have or that you don't see, I'll see that I get it. Anyways, take care and have a great day if you want to.
To mean 365 days without alcohol or medications that affect you from the neck up, that alter your perception of reality. And we give you a candle for each year of your sobriety. And we have a few such birthdays tonight, and we're very pleased to wish them happy birthday. We have not a few, but we have several, so we'll sing a little bit faster than usual. Our first birthday is for 1 year for Don D.
Hi, I'm Don Dorsey, and I am an alcoholic. Wow. 1 year. I'd like to thank first God and the principles of Alcoholics Anonymous for the sobriety for this last year. I'd like to thank Clancy for allowing me to take a cake in lieu of Frank. I'd like to thank my sponsor, Gus, for the last 8 months of sobriety, and my previous sponsor prior to that. I'd like to thank you, the Pacific Group, for the love that you've shared with me over the last 8 months. And I'd like to thank also the other members of Alcoholics Anonymous. Thank you.
A little faster, Don. We also have a 1 year birthday for Lauren C. Happy.
My name is Lauren, I'm an alcoholic. I'd like to thank God and Clancy for giving me that cake. My sponsor, Paul R., for helping me through these steps. My father came out here tonight. And my girlfriend, Patty, and all of you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Lauren. I told Igor he got me the wrong brain. For two years, Phil K. Happy.
Hi, I'm Phil, alcoholic. I'd like to thank God. I'd like to thank my sponsor, Roy C., my previous sponsors, Bill Conaway and Tom Green. I'd like to thank Clancy and Charlotte for the yard, and most of all of you.
We have a 3 year birthday for Amy S.
Hi, I'm Amy, and I'm an alcoholic. I'd like to thank God for getting me to Alcoholics Anonymous and my sponsor, Susie, for being here. I'd like to thank my AA sisters, especially Chris and Marlena, and my new family, my husband, Marty, our son, Joseph, Aunt Cindy, and Uncle Meek. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Amy. For 4 years, Craig B. Happy.
Good evening, I'm Craig Brando, I'm an alcoholic. I'd like to thank my higher power for getting me here and keeping me here. I'd like to thank Joe S. for the last year and 2 months of sponsorship. I'd like to thank Tom B. for my first 2 years and 8 months, which gave me the foundation that has kept me going strong even now. I'd like to thank Clancy for the structure. I'd like to thank Clancy and Charlotte for the yard. And I'd like to say that I'm proud to be a member of the class of 1988.
Happy birthday, Craig. For 5 years, Vivian A. Happy birthday.
Hi, I'm Vivian. I'm an alcoholic. I'd like to thank God, Krishana, Clancy, and you.
How'd you get all sweaty, Vivian? For 5 years, Polly N. Happy birthday.
I'd like to thank Diane for that cake. I'm Polly, I'm an alcoholic. I'd like to thank Diane for that cake, all her love and support, and her sponsorship. I'd like to thank my previous sponsor, Sharon B., for her example and our continued friendship today. And I'd like to thank Pat Y. for a strong foundation in Alcoholics Anonymous. I'd like to thank a kind and loving God, Clancy, Alcoholics Anonymous, and all of you.
Six years for Patty G.
Hi everybody, my name's Patty. I'm an alcoholic. Hi. I want to thank my sponsor Lynn for that cake and walking me through this year. I want to thank my previous sponsors, Coinga and Pat Yo. I want to thank the class of '86 and Clancy and a loving God and the best home group in the world. Thanks.
For 7 years, Pat K.
Hi, my name's Pat. I'm an alcoholic. Hi, I'd like to thank Pat for being my sponsor and giving me that cake and teaching me how to be a kind and loving woman. I'd like to thank Doretha for bringing me here, Susie for my first couple of years, and my dear friend Carol, who's here with me tonight. Thank you, Clancy, and all the men and women in this group.
We have an 8-year cake for Lindsay J.
My name is Lindsay Jackson, and I'm an alcoholic. I want to thank God for my sobriety. I want to thank Alcoholics Anonymous and Millie, who has been such a wonderful sponsor and who is always there for me when I need her and so wise and loving. I want to thank Clancy, who is always on my side. I love Clancy and I love the structure of this group, which is what attracted me here. I want to thank all of you. I love this group. You're my family, and all of my friends and the women I sponsor. You've meant so much to me in my sobriety. I want to thank you for that. And I just want to say that it's good to be sober. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank my husband, Jim.
I'm her husband's sponsor, and I want to spend the next 6 months hearing, but why didn't she thank me at the meeting? For 8 years, John B.
Hi everybody, I'm John Blum, I'm an alcoholic. I'd like to thank Clancy for that cake and this last year's sponsorship. I'd like to thank AA, my wife, my family, and all of you.
For 11 years, Jim K. Happy.
I'm Jim Knight, and I'm an alcoholic. And I want to thank God for my sobriety. I want to thank Alcoholics Anonymous for keeping me sober. I want to thank my sponsor of 10 years and 10 months for his loving sponsorship, Bill M., who stepped into the other room a couple months ago. And I want to thank Clancy for giving me my cake and allowing me to take it here. I want to thank Clancy for the structure of this group, and I want to thank all of you and the class of '81. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Jim, for 12 years, Steve A. Happy birthday.
My name's Steve, and I'm an alcoholic. I'm very grateful to be sober. It's kind of counting on being more recovered than I am right now, but I'll keep coming back. It seems as time goes on that I'm less clear on a lot of stuff, except one of the things this year in particular that I'm most clear on is that it's the people who have kept me sober and pointing me towards a higher power, particularly Terry, who has always been there for me as my mentor and my friend, and I love him a lot. And my mom and my son Max and Maria for her love and patience. If I could have done it alone, I would have, and I would have missed it all. I'll tell you, if you're new, get a sponsor and hang around. The life is incredible. Thanks.
Steve is my travel agent, and for some reason I do not understand, he keeps booking me on airlines with low safety records. Fooled you again this week, Steve. For 23 years, Millie G.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Millie Greenberg, and I am an alcoholic. I have a lot to be grateful for, and I have had about the best 23 years anyone could have. I'd like to thank God as He has been given to me through Alcoholics Anonymous for the gift of sobriety, my sponsor Marion for her example, her guidance and her friendship, Clancy for his wisdom and his leadership here and keeping this program very alive for me, my family, some of whom are here tonight and whom I love. They've always supported me in my AA endeavors, and I'm very thankful for that. There are some very special women that have allowed me to share in their lives, which makes mine so much better and keeps me on the best behavior that I can have. And I'd like to thank all of you that are here, men and women who have befriended me and kept me so happy with being a part of Alcoholics Anonymous. If you are new to our group and you are questioning a lot of things and you're not sure, what I heard when I was new is that it's better to be in by mistake than out by mistake. Do stay and enjoy the good life. Thank you.
Our next birthday is a previous secretary of this group and a continual member for 26 years, Clint H. Happy birthday.
My name is Clint. I'm an alcoholic. And I have a lot of people to thank in this room, people that have been friends of mine over the years. I was glad to see Millie take that cake and Marion give her that cake. And I'm glad that women like that are in this group, and I'm glad that Mary Ann is in this group, and that I have friends like Chuck and Vince. And I'm most grateful for my sponsor. Clancy has been the only sponsor I've ever had, and I have learned increasingly how important it is to have somebody in my life that I salute, somebody in my life to whom I am to some extent accountable. And I'm very, very pleased with that relationship and grateful for it in my life. It's been an interesting year to kind of catch on that I somehow along the line before I ever got here placed myself beyond human aid, and to come to know that there is a loving God that is available to me on a daily basis has been a rather remarkable discovery. And I have discovered something else along the way. I have the capacity to be a good man in a relationship and to be a loving and patient mate to Cindy. And I have the capacity to really love a 5-year-old boy and to deal with him in respect and kindness and fairness and get nothing but respect back. I'm amazed at that and amazed at the quality of my life. This last year has been the sweetest of all, and I thank you for that.
That's all the birthdays, but there'll be some next week. Meredith Peterson in Sacramento for 8 years to send in her check, and she made a little note that they are also glad that Bob Zetz moved out of that town. We have a little custom in our group. that if you wish to participate, you certainly are welcome to. We asked if you choose to take a contribute $1 for each candle on your cake. Take it back to our secretary, our treasurer, and the people way in the back by the stage. And we take this money at the end of the year. We send it to New York. It's our World Service donation. Last year was something over $5,500 just in birthday candles, which made us by far the largest contributor to the World Service Office and throughout the entire world. But if you would like to do that, you certainly would be pleased to pass your money along.
I think we got a great talk going on here. Thanks for watching the channel. Taper Dave here. Just curious, do you think this is better than Zoom? Okay, this is how I prepare my drone for launching. I like to do it inside the cab of my truck so I'm not standing outside in the weather. To install the joysticks for control, up and down, right and left, powered on. I have an Android phone that I use to connect it to the drone with. And it's actually controlled through the iPhone, through an app. Oops, wrong way. It's actually controlled through the iPhone, or through this Android phone, through the app. It's actually controlled through the Android phone, through an app, and you connect it through this short connection right here.
Remote control connected.
Remote control's connected. So I pull out the drone. I have to extend the legs. Long legs extended first, then the short legs. Remove the gimbal protector. Set that aside, then power it on one short burst and one long burst. I lay it down. So I have to go to calibrate. So the drone's not connected yet. It shows you here as this drone gets disconnected, even though the remote's powered on. So the drone has to establish it's connected. So I go into the app to calibration mode. First I'll calibrate the remote controller. Start calibration. Out, in, oop, out, in, up, down. And then this little wheel is to control the gimbal. So it's calibrated. Go to gimbal calibration, start calibration, and then it calibrates the gimbal. I don't know if that shows up. The gimbal's moving all over the place. Changes, you can see it on the video. And I'm calibrated to take off. It's acquired 7 satellites at the moment. There are 26 satellites up in the sky, which it has to acquire before you can take off. So it's connected. It's got enough satellites. This is white. I can go to press this little arrow button, swipe right to take off, and it would start the motors if I slid this to the right. But I'll wait till I get outside. Don't want to do it inside.